Welcome back to Car Master Tips. Have you ever wondered how some people get their cars to last for hundreds of thousands of miles without major repairs? Well, today, I'm going to show you how you can do the same. In this video, we're sharing 7 essential tips to keep your gasoline-powered car running strong for over 500,000 miles. These are simple, everyday habits that anyone can follow to save money and headaches down the road. Let's get right into it. Tip 1. The golden rule: regular oil changes alright. Let's start with the absolute cornerstone of engine health: regular oil changes. Now, you've probably heard this a million times, but there's a reason why it's constantly repeated. It's that important. Your engine oil is the lifeblood of your vehicle. It lubricates all the moving parts, reducing friction and preventing wear. It also helps to cool the engine and carries away harmful deposits and contaminants. Over time, oil breaks down, loses its viscosity, and becomes less effective at doing its job. This can lead to increased friction, overheating, and eventually, significant engine damage. Ignoring your oil change intervals is one of the quickest ways to shorten the lifespan of your engine and lead to costly repairs down the line. So, what does regular mean? Well, it depends on your vehicle, the type of oil you use, and your driving conditions. Always consult your owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommendations. Modern synthetic oils can often go longer between changes than conventional oils, but it's still crucial to stick to a consistent schedule. Don't wait until the little oil light flickers on your dashboard. That's a warning sign that you've already gone too far. Make it a habit to get your oil and filter changed according to the recommended intervals, or even slightly sooner if you do a lot of stop-and-go driving or operate in extreme temperatures. Think of it as a small investment that pays off big time in the long run. A healthy, well-lubricated engine is a happy engine, and a happy engine is one that will take you hundreds of thousands of miles. Tip 2. Monitor your fluids. More than just oil. While oil changes are critical, your engine relies on a whole team of fluids to function properly. Ignoring these other vital liquids can lead to just as many problems as neglecting your oil. We're talking about coolant or antifreeze, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and transmission fluid, if you have an automatic transmission. Coolant. This is essential for regulating your engine's temperature. Low or old coolant can lead to overheating, which can cause serious damage, including warped cylinder heads and blown gaskets. Check your coolant level regularly and have the system flushed and refilled according to your owner's manual's recommendations. Brake fluid. This hydraulic fluid is what allows you to stop your car effectively. Brake fluid can absorb moisture over time, which can lead to corrosion in the brake lines and a decrease in braking performance. It's generally recommended to have your brake fluid flushed and replaced every couple of years. Power steering fluid. This helps you turn your steering wheel with ease. Low power steering fluid can make steering difficult and can damage the power steering pump. Check the level regularly and top it off as needed. If you notice the level consistently dropping, there might be a leak in the system that needs to be addressed. Transmission fluid. For automatic transmissions, the fluid lubricates the complex internal components and helps with smooth gear changes. Neglecting transmission fluid changes can lead to jerky shifting and eventually, transmission failure, which is a very costly repair. Check your owner's manual for the recommended service intervals for your transmission. Make it a habit to periodically check the levels of all these fluids. Low levels can indicate a leak, which should be investigated and repaired promptly. Keeping your vehicle's fluids topped up and in good condition is crucial for its long-term health and performance. Tip 3. Pay attention to your tires. The rubber meets the road. Your tires are the only point of contact between your vehicle and the road, and they play a vital role in safety, fuel efficiency, and the overall health of your car. Proper tire maintenance is essential for extending their lifespan and preventing other issues. Tire pressure. Regularly check your tire pressure and inflate your tires to the recommended pressure, which is usually found on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb or in your owner's manual. Underinflated tires can lead to poor handling, increased fuel consumption, and premature wear. Overinflated tires can also cause uneven wear and a harsher ride. Invest in a good quality tire pressure gauge and make it a habit to check your tires at least once a month, and especially before long trips. Tire rotation. To ensure even wear across all your tires, it's important to have them rotated according to the manufacturer's recommendations. This usually involves swapping the front and rear tires, and sometimes the left and right tires as well. Regular rotation helps to maximize the lifespan of your tires and maintain consistent traction and handling. Wheel alignment. A misaligned suspension can cause your tires to wear unevenly and can also affect your vehicle's handling. If you notice your car pulling to one side or your tires showing unusual wear patterns, have your wheel alignment checked and adjusted by a qualified mechanic. Taking good care of your tires not only improves your safety and fuel economy but also contributes to the overall smooth operation and longevity of your vehicle by preventing unnecessary stress on other components. Tip 4. Don't ignore warning signs. Listen to your car. Your car is constantly communicating with you through various sounds, smells, and warning lights. Ignoring these signals can turn small, inexpensive problems into major, costly repairs. Developing the habit of paying attention to your vehicle's cues is crucial for preventing long-term damage. Unusual noises. Be alert for any new or unusual noises, such as squealing brakes, clunking suspensions, whining transmissions, or hissing sounds from under the hood. These sounds can be indicators of underlying problems that need attention. Strange smells. Unusual odors, like the sweet smell of leaking coolant, the acrid smell of burning oil, or the pungent smell of burning brakes, can also signal potential issues. Don't dismiss these smells, have them investigated. Warning lights. Your dashboard warning lights are there for a reason. When a light comes on, it's indicating that something is not right. Don't ignore it. Consult your owner's manual to understand what the light means and take appropriate action. Some lights, like the oil pressure light or the engine temperature light, require immediate attention, as continuing to drive with these lights on can cause serious engine damage. Changes in performance. Pay attention to how your car is driving. Are you noticing a decrease in power, rough idling, difficulty shifting gears, or a spongy brake pedal? These changes in performance can be early signs of developing problems. By being attentive to these warning signs and addressing them promptly, you can often catch small issues before they escalate into major, expensive repairs. Think of it as being proactive about your car's health, which is key to reaching that 500,000-mile milestone without major headaches. Tip 5. Gentle driving habits. Treat your car kindly. The way you drive your car has a significant impact on its longevity. Aggressive driving habits put unnecessary stress on various components, leading to premature wear and tear. Adopting gentler driving techniques can help extend the life of your vehicle. Avoid hard acceleration and braking. Rapid acceleration and sudden braking put extra strain on your engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. Try to accelerate smoothly and brake gradually whenever possible. Anticipate traffic flow and give yourself plenty of time to slow down. Don't overload your vehicle. Exceeding your vehicle's weight capacity puts undue stress on the suspension, brakes, and engine. Be mindful of how much weight you're carrying, especially when transporting passengers or cargo. Smooth gear changes. For manual transmissions, if you drive a manual transmission, ensure you're shifting gears smoothly and at the appropriate RPMs. Avoid aggressive clutch engagement and grinding gears. Let your engine warm up. Especially in cold weather, give your engine a few moments to warm up before driving aggressively. This allows the oil to circulate properly and lubricate all the critical components. By adopting these gentler driving habits, you can reduce the stress on your vehicle's systems and contribute significantly to its long-term durability and reliability. Tip 6. Keep it clean, inside and out. While it might seem superficial, keeping your car clean both inside and out can actually contribute to its longevity. Exterior. Regular washing helps to remove dirt, salt, and other contaminants that can damage the paint and lead to rust. Protecting your paint helps to preserve the body of your car and prevent corrosion. Consider waxing or applying a paint sealant periodically for added protection. Interior. Keeping the interior clean prevents the buildup of dirt and debris that can damage upholstery and carpets. Regular vacuuming and cleaning can also help to prevent mold and mildew growth. Beyond aesthetics, a clean car is often a sign of an owner who cares about their vehicle, which often translates to better overall maintenance. Plus, it makes driving a much more pleasant experience. Tip 7. Follow the maintenance schedule. Your owner's manual is your friend. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, stick to the maintenance schedule outlined in your owner's manual. This schedule is created by the vehicle manufacturer and is based on their extensive knowledge of your car's specific needs. It details when various services and inspections should be performed, such as replacing air filters, spark plugs, timing belts, if applicable, and other essential maintenance tasks. Ignoring these recommended service intervals can lead to a cascade of problems down the road. Preventative maintenance is always cheaper and less disruptive than dealing with major breakdowns. Think of your owner's manual as your car's personalized health plan. Following it diligently is one of the best ways to ensure it stays healthy and runs for a very long time. So there you have it, 7 essential tips to help you keep your gasoline-powered vehicle running strong for potentially over 500,000 miles without major repairs. Remember, these aren't magic tricks, but rather consistent habits of care and attention. By prioritizing regular maintenance, being mindful of your driving habits, and paying attention to your car's needs, you can significantly extend its lifespan and enjoy many more years and miles on the road. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Car Master Tips for more valuable automotive advice. What are your go-to tips for keeping your car in top shape? Share them in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive safe.